How long to double your money? Here's some interesting statistics. And I look at this basically for my pension in many ways. If you're getting, and your goal is to just beat the bank by just a little amount, then you'll probably take 14 years to double your money in your pension. And your IFA or wealth manager will probably have said, look, the goal is to beat the bank account by a tiny amount. It's pretty poor and paltry. If, however, you were to consider that in sterling terms, the S&P 500 over the last 10 years has delivered 15% per annum, then it would take 5 years to double your money. There's a big difference. Small improvements in performance will make massive differences. Now, past performance is no guarantee of future returns. Let me just say that again. Past performance is not a guarantee of future returns. Think of that for a moment. Having thought of it, the risk you're taking with investing is that what has happened before over a long period of time, let's say 7 years, in other words, you'll get one bad year like 2022 was, about 4 good ones, and 2 to 3 pretty mediocre years in between. Now, that's happened in the previous 7 years before that, 7 before that, and so on and so forth. The one bad years, dot-com crisis, financial crisis, COVID, right? You got through that. 2022, bad. Well, it was down 20% on the markets. So that gives you the 4 bad years over the last 25 years, works out at roughly the numbers that I said, once every 5 years. Sometimes there's a 7-year gap. Around those, you're still able, on average, to get to some of the returns which would hopefully double your money if you're just even using an index tracker in 5 years. Now, in my pension, given my expertise and all the rest of it, I'd like to think I could do it less than that. Okay? Some years are good, like last year, this year, thanks to the market, not thanks to my intellect. 2022, we had to hold cash most of the year. If I can't find something to invest in, what can I do? Like Warren Buffett, I end up holding cash. But anyway, looking at the double your return numbers, they're important. The mathematics is important, incredibly important.